Okay, let's go with India. Dish soap. India is by far my most requested country to clean. The pink stuff. A big thank you to everyone who left comments asking me to clean an Indian coin. Metal polish. Every day I select one lucky viewer whose comment gets pinned at the start of my video. Toothpaste? Blueberry? So make sure you leave a comment below saying which country you'd like me to clean next. Silver polish. If you enjoyed this video, let's make it go viral by giving it a thumbs up and sharing. White. Indian coins have the most beautiful designs. Amazing result.